Welcome back to Jai Hindi, folks. We're going to do it again. We're taking our simple Hindi template, taking the word mujhe, the word hey, meaning I and have to, and sticking a verb in the middle. If you don't understand the process, just go back and look at our last video. It's really pretty simple. So the first verb we're going to use today is utna. It means to get up. Mujhe utna hai.
मुझे उठना है.
And the next verb is baitna. Mujhe baitna hai. That means to sit. Mujhe baitna hai.
मुझे बैठना है. It completely means I have to sit. Next.
Likhna. Likhna means to write. So we're saying I have to write. Mujhe likhna hai.
मुझे लिखना है.
The next one is padna. Padna means to study
And to read.
It's a weird verb. It can mean two different things. But mujhe hai with padna in the middle. Mujhe padna hai.
मुझे पढ़ना है. Next one.
Laitna. Laitna means to lay down. Mujhe laitna hai. I have to lay down. Mujhe laitna hai.
मुझे लेटना है.
So right now we're at the halfway point in our video. See, you got this halfway done with this lesson. Bolna. Bolna means to speak. Mujhe bolna hai.
मुझे बोलना है.
And the next one for all you crazy hippies out there, nachna. You want to dance. Mujhe nachna hai. Mujhe nachna hai.
मुझे नाचना है.
And next we have nahana. Nahana means to bathe. Mujhe nahana hai.
मुझे नहाना है.
And the next one, kelna. Kelna is a good one too, because that means to play. And you stick kelna in the middle. Mujhe kelna hai.
मुझे खेलना है.
And last but not least is kudna. Kudna means to jump. Mujhe kudna hai.
मुझे कूदना है. Fun fact, if you use these two words together, this खेलना and कूदना, it mostly refers to children playing because when they play, they're just too playful, they jump around. So we say खेलना कूदना. मुझे खेलना कूदना है. I would say this only if I'm like behaving like a child and I want to just play around, go play with my friends. I can say मुझे खेलना कूदना है. It would mean that I have to just go play, do some fun activity with other kids. So something we do, something we say.
So basically that means Pragya gets goofy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're done with this lesson. We did 10 verbs. All you have to do is use the little template. Bang, you got 10 sentences you can use. And we're going to do 10 more next time. So let's move the screen on to the magic button.
Oh, okay.
Can we do that? Oh, okay. There we are. We're done, guys. Namaste.
Namaste, everyone. Bye.